Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special lined up for you. We're diving into the world of innovation and convenience with our top picks for 10 amazing tools that are going to make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, these tools are absolute game changers. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Klein Tools 63225 Cable Cutter is a 9-inch high-leverage cutter designed to tackle a variety of materials including aluminum, copper, and communication cables. With its high-leverage design, this cutter offers exceptional cutting capability, making it a go-to tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This cable cutter is capable of cutting 4/0 aluminum, 2/0 soft copper, and even 100 pair 24 AWG communications cable with ease. Its precision, one-hand shearing action, and cable-gripping shear-type jaws ensure clean and accurate cuts every time, saving you time and effort on the job. One of the standout features of the Klein Tools 63225 Cable Cutter is its ability to perform effectively in confined spaces. Whether you're working in tight corners or cramped areas, this cutter delivers the performance and precision you need to get the job done efficiently. Whether you're a professional electrician, technician, or someone who frequently works with cables and wires, the Klein Tools 63225 Cable Cutter is a versatile and reliable tool that belongs in every toolbox. Number 2. The stainless steel 15-in-1 MegaPro screwdriver set is the ultimate tool for those who need reliability and versatility in their toolkit. Crafted from stainless steel, this multi-bit screwdriver is designed to withstand outdoor elements and wet conditions, making it perfect for use in various environments. Featuring a patented retractable bit cartridge, this screwdriver set includes 7 double-ended bits for Phillips, Torx, square, and flatheads, all conveniently stored within the handle. Additionally, it boasts a 1/4-inch hex shaft for added functionality, allowing it to double as a nut driver. Built for heavy-duty use, this screwdriver set offers industrial-grade performance with electroless nickel-plated bits, an alloy steel shaft, and a Triax 1120 made handle for superior durability. Whether you're tackling professional tasks or DIY projects, this tool is up to the challenge. Not only does this screwdriver set simplify your toolkit by combining functionality, portability, and versatility in one tool, but it also enhances user comfort with its palm saver technology. Say goodbye to strains and calluses, and enjoy a more comfortable grip even during extended use. From boaters and marine engineers to outdoor adventurers, this travel screwdriver is the perfect companion for anyone who needs a reliable and durable tool for a wide range of tasks. Upgrade your toolkit today and experience the convenience and performance of the stainless steel 15-in-1 MegaPro screwdriver set. Number 3. The Britain Square is a revolutionary tool in the world of carpentry and construction. With its patented design, it offers a unique solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Britain Square is its pivoting arm with a locking mechanism. This innovative design allows users to easily find and hold desired angles and slopes, making tasks such as determining roof pitches or cutting rafters much simpler and more precise. Additionally, it can be used to find outside corner angles, which is especially useful for tasks like checking walls when wrapping corners with baseboard. Despite its advanced functionality, the Britain Square is designed to be user-friendly. In its locked home position, it functions just like a standard square, ensuring there's no learning curve for users who are accustomed to traditional squares. Whether you're a professional carpenter, roofer, or simply tackling DIY projects around the home, the Britain Square is a versatile and indispensable tool that will streamline your workflow and improve the accuracy of your measurements and cuts. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with the Britain Square. Number 4. The 3 3/8-inch TOEKICK Saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for removing subfloors or tiles from underneath cabinets with precision and ease. Also known as a plunge saw or undercut saw, it's specifically crafted for flush cutting, ensuring that cuts are seamless and precise, even in tight spaces. One of the key features of this saw is its ability to make cuts that are flush to the wall or cabinets, eliminating the need to move cabinets to remove flooring underneath. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures a professional finish to your projects. With 4 cutting depth positions ranging from 3/16 inch to 3/4 inch, This TOEKICK Saw offers flexibility to tackle a variety of materials and thicknesses. Whether you're working with wood subfloors or tiles and stones, this saw has you covered. Equipped with a trigger switch with a safety button, this saw prioritizes user safety while providing convenient access for brush replacement to maintain optimal performance over time. Included with the saw are 2 carbide-tipped blades for wood and 1 grit diamond blade for tiles and stones, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job at hand. Number 5. The Exact Pipe Cut 280 Pro Series is a top-of-the-line pipe cutting tool renowned for its strength, precision, and reliability. Equipped with a powerful motor, this tool boasts 2500-watt 230-volt or 2200-watt 110-volt, ensuring efficient and consistent performance even under heavy loads. One of the standout features of the Exact Pipe Cut 280 Pro Series is its advanced electronics, which protect the motor from overload. Additionally, it features traffic lights that guide the operator, providing real-time feedback and enhancing safety during operation. For precise cutting, this tool is equipped with a laser indicator, allowing users to make accurate cuts with ease. The improved adjustment mechanism ensures straight cutting, resulting in clean and professional-looking finishes every time. Manufactured to the highest standards of quality, the Exact Pipe Cut 280 Pro Series is proudly made in the EU, ensuring durability and longevity. It is capable of cutting steel pipes with wall thicknesses of up to 20 mm 230-volt or 12 mm 110-volt, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in various industries. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the Exact Pipe Cut 280 Pro Series is a versatile and reliable tool that will streamline your pipe cutting tasks and deliver exceptional results. Number 6. The Wen Cable Stripper No. 428H is a precision-engineered tool designed for efficient and safe stripping of round cables with diameters ranging from 4 to 28 mm, including moisture-proof cables. Its self-rotating cutting blade allows for automatic transition between round and longitudinal cutting, while an adjustable cutting depth ensures precise stripping without damaging inner conductors. The integrated hooked blade adds versatility to its functionality. Maintenance is simple with a replaceable inner blade, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Crafted from robust, glass fiber reinforced polyamide and featuring high-quality knife steel blades from Solingen, Germany, this tool guarantees durability and performance. Proudly made in Germany, the Wen Cable Stripper No. 428H is a must-have for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts seeking quality and precision in cable preparation tasks. Number 7. The Southwire XD1 circuit puller represents the pinnacle of high-speed, lightweight cable pulling equipment. With a remarkable pulling capacity of up to 1,000 pounds of torque, this tool empowers contractors with safety, speed, and power. By eliminating the need for physical exertion when pulling wire and cable by hand, the XD1 significantly reduces the risk of injury from repetitive arm and shoulder motion. Versatility is a key feature of the XD1, offering contractors another option for today's circuit wire and small feeder pulls. Whether it's in residential, commercial, or industrial settings, this puller streamlines the pulling process, saving time and effort while ensuring precision and reliability. Engineered by Southwire, a trusted name in cable pulling equipment, the XD1 circuit puller is the ultimate solution for contractors seeking efficiency and safety in their wire and cable pulling tasks. Number 8. The Duvuo Red Oak Wood Filler is a premium wood putty filler specifically formulated for red oak wood, offering exceptional performance and versatility. Designed not to shrink, sink, or crack, this wood filler provides excellent adhesion, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Its paintable formula allows for seamless integration with any finish or stain, and it only needs to be applied once, saving time and effort. Ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, this stainable wood filler is user-friendly and innovative. Whether you're repairing furniture, finishing a floor, completing a craft project, or designing an instrument, Duvuo Red Oak Wood Filler is the perfect solution. It can be easily sanded, stained, tinted, primed, filled, and sealed, making it incredibly versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. From wood furniture repair to hardwood floors, wooden veneers, desks, cabinets, tables, doors, and more, This wood filler is ideal for addressing unsightly cracks and holes, ensuring a seamless and professional finish with every use. Say goodbye to imperfections and hello to flawless woodworking results with Duvuo Red Oak Wood Filler. Number 9. The 16-side multi-angle measuring ruler with opening locator is a versatile and durable tool designed to streamline angle measurement and hole positioning tasks for craftsmen, handymen, builders, and carpenters. Constructed from premium 5mm aluminum alloy metal, this angle measuring ruler is incredibly durable and sturdy, eliminating the risk of bending or rusting associated with plastic alternatives. Its robust construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it a dependable addition to any toolkit. Featuring an upgraded design with 16 metal knobs and a drilling locator, this angle ruler allows users to adjust the knobs to create the desired shape accurately. The folding 16 sides of the ruler enable users to easily measure and create special angles or shapes, significantly improving work efficiency. With laser-engraved markings in both inches and centimeters, this corner angle finder ensures precise and accurate angle measurements for various projects. The integrated hole positioning feature allows users to adjust the drilling position accurately, making it perfect for tasks such as marking tiles. This angle measuring tool is widely used in woodworking, bricklaying, ceramic tiling, glass cutting, stone cutting, laminate installation, construction, and engineering projects. It serves as a versatile replacement for traditional angle rulers and rulers, offering convenience and efficiency across different fields of work. Number 10. The Sacre Expandable Hole Locator Cabinet Hardware Jig is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precise placement of cabinet hardware, making it ideal for home decoration and installation of cabinet and drawer handles, door handles, and more. Ensuring precise and consistent placement of cabinet hardware, this adjustable jig creates a professional and polished look with every use. It saves time and effort by allowing users to quickly and accurately drill multiple holes, eliminating the need for manual measuring and marking. Easy to use, the Sacre Adjustable Cabinet Hardware Jig can be adjusted to fit the size and shape of different cabinets, making it accessible for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Its simplicity and versatility make it a cost-effective solution for any woodworking project involving cabinetry. By eliminating the need for measuring and marking out holes, this jig reduces the risk of mistakes and minimizes wasted materials, ultimately saving users time and money. Additionally, its versatility allows it to be used for various types of cabinet hardware, including knobs, poles, and handles, making it an indispensable tool for any woodworking project.